Welcome to Synergy Brainpower Solutions. Synergy was established on 9 September 2012, and in this 9 years of our journey, since our inception, Synergy has helped thousands of individual parents, students through Synergy DMIT test and counseling. And all these testimonials of all the happy families, you can just visit our website and see the testimonials. We have lots of video testimonials, written testimonials also on our website. At the end of each slide, we have given the website, that is synergybrainpower.com, which you can always visit and take a journey through our Synergy things. Here's Mr. Onrubhakar sir, the founder and the man behind Synergy Brainpower Solutions, a very successful entrepreneur and an amazing motivational trainer and speaker. Because of his expertise in marketing and his wonderful leadership qualities, till now the journey of Synergy was always a new episode of success, and now we want Synergy to reach each and every family, and hence we are coming up with some amazing benefits. So what Synergy is actually about? DMIT, yes. What is DMIT? Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test. So derma means skin and glyphics is the study of lines on your skins. That is dermatoglyphics. And multiple intelligence, if I were to explain you, it is like, for example, we have lots of people around us, and each individual has his or her own abilities and strengths, right? So why these people are different is because of the distribution of these intelligences in a different proportion in these individuals. And what this proportion is, we come to know through DMIT test. Now, what is the connection between brain and fingerprints? Usually the question arises. So what happens is, when the fetus is growing in the mother's womb, from 13th week to 24th week, the development of brain and fingerprint occurs simultaneously. So during this phase, the neurons, that is the brain cells, how they are distributed in the fetus brain, they come to know through the DMIT test. So what details will DMIT give us? Yes, it will give us details about the inborn strengths, abilities, learning styles, personality traits, behavioral traits, quotients, career guidance, and whatnot. There are lots of details DMIT will give you. So the intelligences of distribution of which I'm talking about, I'm just going to describe all the intelligence over here. Just listen carefully. So the first intelligence is linguistic intelligence. You can see here it is written as word smart, right? So what this linguistic intelligence tells us is, these people are very good in understanding languages and using language in any form, in written form or in verbal form. But language is their forte, and that's why these people will be very good in teaching, speaking, training, and all those areas, right? The next intelligence is logical mathematical intelligence. Now, when we talk about mathematical skills, it usually comes to calculations, but yes, logical and mathematical, the combination, if we see, it is how you grasp things and how you understand technical things very easily. That is what is logical mathematical intelligence. Then comes naturalistic intelligence. Now, very wonderful intelligence this is. Here we see that what is your connection with the nature? So what do you love in nature? The plants, animals, flowers, or insects, anything you can love in nature. But through this area, all your five senses are alert. You see, you listen, you smell, you taste, you feel. All these senses, because they are alert in this area, if you have a good naturalistic intelligence, what happens is you become a very keen observer of everything around you. And because of this, you have intuitive ability, we can say, or what we talk about sixth sense. So that comes from this area, and that's why influencing these people wrongly is not that easy, right? The next intelligence is visual spatial intelligence. Now, this intelligence will deal with your color aesthetic skills and design appreciation, that is, which design is going to look better where, and also the space judgment over here. So, when I talk about visual spatial intelligence, it is usually related to those people who are into the areas or who want to be into the areas of designing or space judgment like interiors, architecture, or pilots. These people should have a very good visual spatial intelligence. Then next we will have kinesthetic intelligence. Now this intelligence deals with your overall physical movements of your body, which can be your whole body movement or it can be your fine motor movement. So when we talk about whole body movement, it is your restlessness, or are you hyperactive, or you are lazy, that is inertiatic, usually what we use the word here is. And when we talk about the fine motors, it is about your finger movements, your facial expressions, and vocal cords. So, your artistic abilities will come from kinesthetic intelligence also. So, how you use these abilities, your sports and dance and everything. The next is musical rhythmical intelligence, and this intelligence, as the word itself tells us, is it will lead with your sense of rhythm, tone, pitch, voice modulations, and the same area will also deal with your emotional management also, right? Very beautiful intelligence we have over there. These last two intelligences are very important intelligence because these intelligences will be responsible for your behavioral traits or overall how you portray yourself. So interpersonal intelligence is your connect with people, your leadership qualities, and how you have your image consciousness, whereas intrapersonal intelligence is how you connect to yourself, your relationship with yourself, so your decision powers and your ego or your self-respect, everything, your behavior, everything comes from these two intelligences. Now please note down that these 8 intelligences will be present, will be there always in all the individuals. Okay, so it doesn't happen that one of the intelligence is completely absent. No, the only thing is the distribution of these intelligences will be different in different individuals, and that what makes that individual different from other individual, right? So what DMIT will do is DMIT will check out this distribution and let you know that how you are different from others, right? Now, what else are we going to get through DMIT? As I told you, there are many things we come to know through DMIT. So, learning styles. What is learning style? Our brain will grasp things as per the strong areas it has, right? And that, as per that, we will have our learning style. So, here you are seeing this cute baby having huge headphones on his ear, and that baby is trying to tell us that, I'm an auditory learner because I'll remember more by listening. The another one is telling that I'll remember more by seeing things, and the last one is telling us that I will do things practically and I'll remember it more properly. Now remember that any person can have one prominent learning style over here, or they can have a combination of learning styles. So as per their distribution, what the counselor does over here is they will form a particular learning style for you and they will guide you as per that. Okay, now we'll just go through a few reports pages and we will try to see how the report actually is. So this is a sample report. Your report will not be the same. That is, I mean to say that the layout will be same, the percentages are going to change. So here we see that there are 5 lobes of the brain and the brain structure is shown over here. There are different percentages are given over here. So what these percentages actually mean? So few people are very good in planning, whereas few people are very good in execution. So why this difference is there and how that person will be, that is what this page is going to tell us. This page of the report is going to give you all the distribution of the 8 intelligences which you have seen, I have told you about, we have discussed. So if you observe on this page, you see somewhere it is 16, whereas somewhere it is 15, 4, 5, the percentages are variable, right? Now the distribution of these percentages is something which is going to give us the detail about that person, that how this person is going to be. Now, one more thing, if we observe, we are seeing there is a number also. Now, these percentages and this number, cumulatively, they are going to give you detail about whether this person will be multitasker or this person is going to focus on one thing at a time. Even the parents can get a guidance that should they take the admission of the child in SSC board, CBSE board, ICSE board or GB board, right? So all these details will be given on this page by the counselor and or whatever literature you get with the report. Now this is another page of the report where personalities are there and dog profile. According to dog profile, there are 4 types of personalities: dove, owl, peacock, and eagle. And you will have one personality which will be explained in the report. Out of these 4 personalities, whatever is your personality is will be detailed, explained in the report. Now this is another page of the report. Yes, lots of details we are getting over here. These are quotients. Now, we are mostly aware of IQ, that is intelligence quotient, which is considered as the most important quotient, because of which the academic ability, performance of a child is being taken care of. And the parents would always like to know about the IQ of a child. But equally, emotional quotient is also important, and people are now getting aware of this emotional quotient also, which deals with your emotional management. Your management skills are also directly proportional to your emotional quotient. Now, the next intelligence over here is creativity quotient. And creativity quotient deals with your idea formation, out of the box thinking, how you strategize things, how you have your creative abilities. All these come from creativity quotient. The next is adversity quotient, last but not the least. Adversity quotient is your ability to face or your adverse situations in your life. So for example, if you're sitting in a hotel and suddenly there's a fire in the hotel, so are you a person who will become panic, or you will be calm and take out ways to come out of that situation, is what your adversity quotient gives you detail about. Last few pages of the report will give you the details about your career recommendations. So you can see there are star ratings given over here as per the multiple intelligence strength which we see. So for example, if it is dance 5 stars, so obviously this person will be more comfortable in the areas where dance, defense, these areas are there. Okay. Now, as we say that whenever we need to do a test, for example, blood report, if you want to take out any blood report, so the sample is blood, which is then separated as per the needs of the laboratory. Similarly, when we are talking about DMIT, so DMIT is, the sample is fingerprints. So what we are going to do over here is, we are going to scan all the 10 fingerprints through a device like this, electronic device like this. Then these fingerprints are sent to the experts who are going to analyze these fingerprints, and they're going to generate a detailed report of that person, the soft copy of which will be provided to the client, right? Now this was regarding DMIT. So what all or who all are the people where DMIT can be done? So let me tell you one thing, that about 2 years anybody can do the test of DMIT. There is no age barrier. So what we will discuss over here is for each age group, what are the benefits? Right now, 2 years to 12 years. First of all, it is the stage where the child is developing slowly, gradually learning new things. So for parent, it is a very good guidance for parenting. The behavioral traits, what they come to know, because of which it helps them to behave with them in a proper way and shape their right mindset. See, there is a difference between knowing and understanding. So when you understand, it makes a world of a difference, and understanding your kids is going to make life easier for you and your kids also. Even it gives the details of learning style. So when you are taking the studies, it becomes easy for you to teach them in a proper way, know their personality, and get the career guidance. Now for teenagers, that is 13 years to 19 years, this is the age of overall development of a child, mental, physically, everything is changing in the child's life. And DMIT will help the parents to identify the right areas where they have to focus and sharpen the inborn skills perfectly, so that career is based on these inborn strengths and abilities. So it is very, very comfortable for the child. Even the child gets the guidance that what strength he or she has, and as per that strength, how he or she should utilize these strengths properly. Now we have individuals, so any age individuals, it helps them to understand themselves in a 360 view, that is in and out. Sometimes what happens is, because of the life situations, we usually take unwanted stress, which we should not. And then what happens is all the productivity is decreased and we are focused into unwanted things. So when we come to know the reason behind it, so what happens is, correct reason gives you the correct way of handling the stress properly. Okay, so the counselor will guide you and you have to implement the things. And this all will help you to channelize your strength in a correct direction. Okay, for great results in life. Now, we have couples. When we talk about couples, it is understanding each other in a very proper way, giving them their space and freedom to be themselves. So when you understand each other, it gives you that sense that, okay, fine, what I can expect from my partner, what I cannot expect from my partner. So once you understand that, then giving that space, understanding that relationship becomes more easier. Very important. Corporates. What happens is, when we recruit people and we delegate work to them in which they are very comfortable, or they are very skillful in that area, so it is going to result into the increased productivity of a company and a very happy, satisfied employees, right? Because they are happy working in the areas where they are strong at. Very important thing we have to understand is, when we are introducing this concept of DMIT to anyone, and these people, anyone who are introducing the DMIT, they agree with the concept and they want to go through this wonderful, amazing scientific tool, then what we have to do is, we have to fill a consent form, and then only the fingerprints of the person are taken. Now, this was regarding the product and who all can do. All these things are there, and as I have already told you, that Synergy has successfully completed 9 years with a wonderful captain, Mr. Arun Prabhakar sir, and now we are after creating a successful benchmark in traditional business. Now Synergy is coming up with affiliate marketing benefits, because of which Synergy will reach every family also, and at the same time, Synergy will also provide a huge earning opportunity to each and every individual. So what this earning opportunity is, whoever the person has given you the reference of Synergy will explain you in detail. Thanks for being with us.